3. We're talking about matter and energy. If you're a good chef, you are a... Yes, okay. And we got solids, liquids, and... There is one other.
Plasma.
Yes, okay. And plasma, like in the aurora. That's the northern part of it. All right, now, here we are into this. KTM stands for Kinetic Theory of Matter, says all matter is made of tiny, I mean infinitesimally small particles that are in constant. Yes. And as we heat them up, they move faster. Now this fits, because remember later on, temperature is the average kinetic energy or the movement of these particles. That's what temperature is, the definition of temperature. The faster the movement of particles, the higher the temperature. Very good, David, very good. Nice quiet voice, but right on. All right, so we heat these up enough, even salt at 101 degrees Celsius, we can break them apart and they will become a liquid, and if we even heat them further than that, anything we can turn into a, just by making the particles move so fast and break their bonds. Okay, states of matter. What do we call going from a solid to a gas? Yes, very good. Okay, is there energy released when the bath water lands on the mirror?
Yes.
Yes, and it heats up your mirror. Just try it out if you don't believe me. It's the latent heat of condensation. And we learned about buoyant force and pressure. What is pressure? Give me the mathematical definition of pressure. It is a force divided by a... So if Mr. R is walking around in stilettos, what? He's got a lot of
Pressure
on, because it's my same force, but it's over a little area, so there's a lot of pressure on the ground. But if I got big old clown shoes on, then it's not so much pressure. Is this making sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Pressure, buoyancy. Why does your bowl float in your dish water?
Because it has volume.
It displaces its weight in water because of the way it's shaped. Now we're even making big freighters out of cement. All right, Pascal's principle. I love it because it transmits pressure evenly throughout a fluid. It is what keeps what three businesses in business out there on 101, starting with Gerald's and going north. Gerald's. Nobody knows Gerald's, Oil Can Henry's, and Les Schwab. Yes, they all use these hydraulic lifts to lift up cars. They just put a little pressure in one area, give it a bigger area, same pressure, greater force, lifts. Does this make sense? Say yes, just so you make me feel good. All right, we're out of there. We're in